Hello guys, welcome to the forecast. So I'm going to be going over Aussie and Euro. Let's start with the Aussie. So what we talked about yesterday is we had this huge range-to-range price action. And when price action is ranging, I stay out, I wait for an impulse. And what we then got was a continuation of this ascending and a continuation of the range-to-range price action. And then we got this impulse. And this impulse looked good to me. And also what was a great signal was this pausing price action. So we didn't see a major move down or a major move to the upside. I call that a pausing price action. And I entered a long trade right here. So on this candle with a 12 pip stop. And it is currently running in profit, and I currently reduced the risk because we broke this high. So yeah, that's it for the Aussie. Currently it is trending, and it broke out of this range-to-range price action, which is great. And I'm expecting this to continue trending or trend to a downside. So we will see. What I can forecast is, let me just get the line. Get the brush. So okay, I can forecast a continuation to the upside. Then I would look for a continuation pattern, or we can get a continuation to downside. I would also look for a continuation pattern, or I would also expect it to maybe range around here. So just have a range into a range sort of price action, and then I will stay out. I will wait for a clean impulse out of this structure. Okay, so now for the euro. So the euro is a little bit different. So for the euro, we also had this range-to-range price action, which was much bigger than the Aussie, which we talked about yesterday. And then we got this ascending structure, and after it also an impulse. This impulse was not that good for me, but I was looking for a continuation pattern at the top, which we didn't get, but instead we got an ascending channel. So broke the high, retraced, broke the high, retraced, and then we got this very clean candle to the downside, which had a clean close, so almost no wick on the bottom. And when I see this, it is a great trade, in my opinion, and I placed a short order right here on this line, 12 pip stop also. And yeah, it tagged me in, then broke the low. I reduced my risk drastically, and then it took me out of the trade. So this one was a loss, but this trade really looked very, very clean. It looked perfect for me because of this huge wick candle to downside and the clean close. So yeah, now we also have this impulse to the upside. I was looking for a continuation pattern right here, but what made me stay out was this large wick and then a retrace to the downside, which was, when you compare the retrace to the impulse, it is very, very drastic. And I wanted to see a range and not a retrace to the downside. So yeah, that's it for the euro. So I have two trades, and what is important to take away, this was a clean push to the downside and a clean close. And on the Aussie, this was the pausing price action, which really is a great sign for me and made me enter the trade. So yeah, that's it for the forecast. And oh, okay, so for the euro, I'm expecting actually to see ranging price action here because of this V reversal. So the price came up and came down in same sort of momentum, which usually signals ranging price action, but we can get an impulse to the downside. I will look for a continuation pattern, or an impulse to the upside. I will also look for a continuation pattern, but I want the price to move away from this V reversal. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the forecast. I will see you in the next one.